tools required include a socket set, cable ties or hook tool, and a pair of side cutters. In this video we will demonstrate how to replace a conveyor band. First of all, we need to remove the guards by loosening the bottom nuts at every lug position. In this example, we will replace the missing band at the front edge of the conveyor as shown. Step 1 is to loosen but do not remove both bolts from the rollers. Step 2 is to pull both rollers up out of the side rails. Step 3, place the new band over the roller, push the roller back into position and then tighten up the bolt. Step 4. Using the hook tool, stretch the band over the second roller, push the roller back into position and then tighten up the bolt. Let's just see that again from another angle. Step 1 is to loosen but do not remove both bolts from the rollers. Step 2 is to pull both rollers up out of the side rails. Step 3, place the new band over the roller, push the roller back into position and then tighten up the bolt. Step 4. Using the hook tool, stretch the band over the second roller, push the roller back into position and then tighten up the bolt. You can now replace the guard by slipping the lugs back behind the bolts and washers and tightening all the bolts. Next, we'll look at replacing a missing band on the inner edge of a transverse section as shown. Due to the limited access on the inside edge, this band must be replaced from the outer edge. Step 1. Trace the rollers back to the outside edge and remove both bands on either side. Step 2. Loosen the bolts of the middle two rollers and pull both rollers up out of the rails. Step 3. Place the new band over the roller, push the roller back into position and then tighten up the bolt. Step 4 is to stretch the band over the second roller. If a hook tool is not available, a cable tie can be fed through the band and used to stretch the band. The cable tie can then be cut off and removed, as shown in the video. Step 5. Push the band up the rollers and into position on the inside edge. Step 6 is to replace the two bands on the outer edge following the procedure outlined previously. You can now replace the guard by slipping the lugs back behind the bolts and washers and tightening all the bolts.